it.
Hold on. Write her down. Hold on, fellas. Maddie's down.
It's not there out of me. Hold up.
Is it major?
Yeah.
Might take Maddie a minute to recover. You okay? Is he okay?
No. No.
He hit pretty hard.
I just need a few minutes.
Give us just a minute.
So, from that deep whoop right there, I tried to wheelie through. Front wheel hit that rock right there. See, look, you see the mark in the dirt? Yeah. And then it threw me over the bars from there. I landed here and slid to there.
I think he's okay. He's just got to walk it off.
If you want me to kiss the tip, I will.
We're on our way.
I gotta get my helmet.
Be right there.
You know what?